Hey, if you really are looking for a community that does have the cherry on top, why not think about Woodbine or some of the many neighborhoods that back onto Fish Creek Park in Calgary. Fish Creek Park has over 13 square kilometers of pathways, forests, river access, creek access, and is the largest urban park in Canada. These communities are ideal for nature lovers, runners, bike riders through all the pathways, and they're also a great investment as they tend to hold their value. If you want more information about a community that backs onto Fish Creek, why not give us at the McLaren Real Estate team a call.